We're set up the CutterMaster Professional to grind the outside of the end mill. We're going to grind the secondary grind. This is a 3/4 inch end mill. So you look on the table, 3/4 inch, 18 degrees. Whenever you're regrinding, it's always good to be generous. So we have this at about 19 degrees. You set we're using 11x9 wheel. You want to set the tool spindle or the motor tower so that the corner of the 11x9 is just a little bit proud. In other words, rotated clockwise just a little bit. Set the height. That's the center of the tool. This collar locks the center of the tool. You align it so the flat is facing the wheel, and you tighten this jam nut. Then you align it with the x-axis until the tool rest is in line with the edge of the wheel. And then you bring the grinding wheel into the stylus. You bring the end mill over like that. You position the tool rest under the edge of the wheel by using the upper axis of the tool spindle. Once you've got that set, lock the y-axis of the tool spindle and fold the handle out of the way. You can lock the x-axis as well because you don't want the end mill to bounce. You want air in your air spindle. Loosen your index ring and slide it out of the way. Then you bring the tool in and set it on the tool rest. And bring the wheel in. Once again, on the CutterMaster Professional, when you're clockwise is always feeding. So we're ready to grind secondary. You grind that flute. You can lift the motor, lift the next flute down on the tool rest, bring this down, grind the second side. We'll turn this on. Once again, you want the wheel turning down onto the tool rest. So we will back this away, lift the motor, put the tool on the tool rest, and get ready to grind. And you slowly bring the wheel in until you touch the tool. Once you make contact, take a little bit of a bite. Take your grind. Go to the other side. Put your tool seated on the tool rest. And take your second side. We'll take another thou or so. We're grinding the secondary, so it's a pretty wide grind. Back around to the first side. Put the motor down. Next side. And that's how you grind your secondary angle.